It's World Health Day, and the United Nations is warning that after the coronavirus pandemic is over, attention must shift to saving the planet. Back here, environmentalists are harping on the need for a people-centered approach towards reducing carbon emissions to under 8%. Kemi Balogo reports.
Waste and the indiscriminate disposal of what we do not need or want has continued to define the world's ecosystems. From the threat plastic waste poses to marine life, to pollution from industries, burning bushes and melting polar ice caps, and rising water in countries that are at or below sea levels, this is the state of planet Earth in the year 2020. And bringing it closer to home, Nigeria and our immediate environment, blocked drains, garbage bins strewn and tipping over, the list is endless. Now we are faced with a new reality, the coronavirus pandemic and the bad habit of the wrongful disposal of masks and gloves. This pandemic has exposed the good and the bad sides in our climate change situation.
But during crises like this, it is even more important that we listen to scientists, to science, and to the experts. That goes for all crises, whether it's the corona crisis or whether it's the climate crisis, which of course is still ongoing.
It has been 50 years since the modern environmental movement started. It gave rise to an emerging public consciousness of the state of our planet. As the coronavirus pandemic ravages across continents, countries and cities, everyone will have food.
Of course.
Activists believe that it has brought to light all sides of situations relating to environment and climate change.
The earth is actually smiling because we have cleaner air, cleaner water. There are a few examples around the world. In India, the Himalayas mountains have not been seen for the past 30 years due to air pollution. Today, they are seen quite clearly because there is less emission of gases. Many companies are not producing.
According to Wikipedia, this annual event is simply to demonstrate support for environmental protection. Experts warn that the disposal of medical waste during this period must be done properly.
There is a lot of hospital waste that is being generated. Even here in Nigeria, if you go around the streets, you will see the number of face masks or hand gloves that people just dispose openly.
The Minister of State for Environment, Sharon Ikeazo, through a press release, wrote that the Ministry of Environment is urging renewed and concerted global action to end the pandemic and scale up efforts to preserve and restore natural ecosystems, enhance waste management systems, and mitigate climate change. The lack of proper methods in disposing of waste, especially the gloves and the masks that we use at this time of a pandemic, can do a lot of harm to the environment, but majorly it can also cause reinfections. Kemi Balogun, TVC News, Abuja.